Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from us Espresso Machines. You want to check us out on Instagram, you want to see more about machines, Lamborghini and such here at the Bay Area, you are more than welcome to follow us. So welcome back to another video. Today we're going to briefly talk about this Isomac machine. This is a sweet little machine that can make very good coffee if you know how to use it. And we had an issue with the steam valve not producing steam, found out it was completely clogged. This round design basically makes it hard to see if it's clogged or not, or to clean it properly, and it was just a lot of old milk basically was blocking it. So we're going to talk about how to practice and make it not clog. So we basically purge it before and after each use and wipe it down in between. And I just want to take the opportunity and show you a little bit about what's going on inside this machine, just because it's kind of cool to see. So it's currently turned on. So we have water, right? And then we also have steam. I'll turn this thing on. You'll see steam in a second. We have both lights turned on. And while this is happening, there we go. So we know this is working, right? I'm gonna turn this off. Now this is a little weird because inside, you can see, and sorry about the mess, there's this little clip here that supposedly gonna make you stop from unscrewing this all the way out, but it's not very secure, and it seems like there's a missing piece over here. I'm not sure if it was taken off by the customer or somebody else, but it's not present. So this is very important. If we look at the different components, we'll see the main water pump. We have the pump goes here, and it goes into the boiler. And then here we have two thermostats. This is how the machine knows when to turn on and off the heat. For brew and for steam. And then we have the element terminals, and then pressure gauge, and this is the steam on off. And then we have the steam valve, and this goes to the gauge. And then the valve, once you open it, it lets the steam go. And then there's also a little overpressure valve right over here that directs any kind of overpressure water back to the tank. So this is a very basic design of an espresso machine, but this is actually very good to see because it tells you how espresso machine works. You have a reservoir or direct plumb in, you have a pump, you have a boiler or two, thermostats or PID, elements, and then a way to direct the water either to hot water tap or steam, or maybe to another boiler. So I hope you like this video and you enjoyed it. If you, by the way, if you want to see how I cleaned it, so I started by using this little tool I have. It's a little pin, and then I cleared it, and then I took it off and deep cleaned the whole thing because it was just too clogged to be solved only with this little guy. So yeah, if you have this machine or you have similar machines, I've seen it happening with Gaja Classic, Rencilio, Sylvia, and whatnot. Every time you froth, just start the frothing, purge it, and then when you're done, clean it, and then purge it again. And this way, you'll make sure you're never gonna have a clog. That's gonna be my recommendation. Alrighty. Have a good day, and thank you for watching. Take care.